Hi, this is West Coast Custom Concrete, the best in the West. Without further ado, this video will be on coring a curb and setting a drain. We had to cut the curb here because we didn't want to tunnel under the sidewalk. So we just cut it, and then we ran the pipe, and then we patched the sidewalk there. Just trying to get it out. It's wedged in. Javier brought his 40-pound jack, and we're just going to take this piece out, run the drain, core the curb. We have to run it about, I don't know, about 150 feet to the where we left the exposed pipe. We're going to tap into it. We ran it all the way in the backyard. It's probably about 180 feet. Here I am just picking up, keeping it clean out front. Getting ready to core the curb. We're going to pull the truck up and you put it against the tire. You'll see we had to tunnel under this, underneath that porch. There's no other way. Here's the core. Just put it against the tire and you twist it as you go, like tightening something, and it goes all the way through. Cores it out. We're going to stick the pipe flush with the front of the curb. There's a pipe there. We're just mixing up a couple bags here. We put some rapid set in it, so it'll take about 30 minutes. It's done. We put a bag of rapid set in with the bags of concrete we had. Putting this pipe in, we got to run it under here and run it around the corner. We tied it in because we poured 2 patios in the back and we extended the parking. So we're just digging this out. The planter was in dirt, was super simple. I mean, it's super easy dirt. It had been pretty saturated over time, so it was no big deal to do it. We just had to bend it around those poles that are for the gas line, and then tap these together to make sure they're secured. Then when you put a level on it, when it breaks the bubble, you're at 1%, and that's all you need. Plus you have push with water coming into the drain. And there's spots here with 3 to 4%, so it's jamming once it gets going. Finishing up this patch, we're all cleaning up here. Brooming it back. I have about 4 videos coming up from the back, this patio in the parking lot I poured back here, and I poured the whole driveway. I pour in 5 gallons in this to see what comes out. 5-gallon comes out and how fast it comes out. Then I'll stick the hose through it and run it and hose everything off. But I just want to see how much comes out. Just want to put about a 5-gallon bucket in, see what 5 gallons comes out. Thank you very much for watching my video.